just got back from picking this thing up. It's kind of a pain in the ass. It weighs nothing, but it's pretty big. So we're gonna get it off the trailer and unbox it. So this thing was created really nice. Weighs nothing. It's still too big for one person to put on by themselves, but it looks like it's gonna fit really well. And I do have a 78 grill, like on the front of my red truck. I'm gonna stick on it. The next problem I see is the shocks are a little too far forward. So I've been thinking about hacking these off and plating all the way across, and then making shock mounts that are not this way but this way. That way the heim joint is not limited to back and forth movement. It's gonna move in and out just left and right. So that'll be the next thing. I'm gonna see about pushing the cab forward a little more. I think I got a little more room that I could possibly push it, and then we'll go from there. But this hood is a US Body Source. I ordered it in August, and it just showed up this week, February. So second week of February. So it took a long time to get. So we have everything here. I'm gonna try and push the company that I got the fiberglass bedsides from and the tailgate. I'm gonna try to push them to making a cab for me, and seeing how that goes, because it would make it way easier. So all right, that'll be it for this video. The next one, I don't know, we'll see what's going on. Maybe on the 78 here. I got to start working on this. I actually got the front clip off obviously the mega truck that's going to go on the front of here. So all right, thanks for watching. Share, like, subscribe.